of the country say keep it as it is. 36% say overturn it. The other poll numbers we have, should abortion be generally available? 50% have said yes. 33% saying there should be stricter limits. So the numbers here in terms of breaking down where this country is on this issue, Margaret, those are national polls. But in the states, we're divided. And in most of red America now, abortion is illegal.
That's right. And defining exactly where life begins is also of varying places. In certain states, including Missouri, they're looking at 8 weeks. 8 weeks after which abortion would be made illegal. In others, they're looking farther out, 24 weeks. It's a varying patchwork here, and it will have huge implications, particularly for poor women, for women of color. New York and Illinois had the highest rates of reported abortion in 2019, but those are reported abortions. This is something that is, across the country, across socioeconomic lines, used here. Now, what does this mean in terms of the politics? It's messy. It's complicated. In the state of Michigan, the governor there, Governor Whitmer, is already suing county prosecutors to try to stop them from enforcing the original law from 1931 in Michigan that made abortion illegal with no exception for rape, with no exception for incest. And so this is going to get very tangled as people, I think, slowly start reading in on exactly what their local laws are. Many people have not necessarily tracked what those restrictions are because they knew that the court at the federal level had secured this. And now it's going to be far more complicated. I also, looking at these protesters, Nora, the other thing I want to highlight, the Department of Homeland Security had already warned about political violence in the weeks and months ahead. And we know that the National Abortion Federation found incidents of assault and battery against providers and patients is up 128% in 2021 versus 2020.
And there's also been an increase in violence at some of the pregnancy centers, which, of course, are there to try to talk women out of having abortions. We've seen that in the last several weeks. Planned Parenthood and other groups releasing a statement this morning saying they were condemning all types of violence or threats, again, anticipating that we may see some of that in the wake of this decision.